Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another AliExpress haul. As I mentioned before, there were some more things that I had ordered and they just showed up yesterday, and actually I had one item show up today. So yesterday I received a order from Alena Cuddle that I had put in. It's a couple of dies and so let me show you. I got this awesome bag topper die, which, hold on one second. Why do I always forget this? So it measures out to 3 3/4 by 3 1/2. So when it's actually folded in half, it is 1 3/4. So super cute. I haven't actually used it yet because I don't have anything to package up. I should just make myself bag toppers so that I have them available whenever I need them, but I'm like the worst at planning ahead. All right, and then I also got this awesome heart-shaped rosette die, guys. Like, it's so cute. So it comes with 3 different border edges. You have this like almost like horseshoe shaped, I guess. You have hearts, and then you have the straight edge piece. And then it comes with the left side and the right side. So you're going to use this plate right here to actually cut out your long rectangular piece that you will then valley fold, and then you use one of the edge dies and you line them up with this. As you can see, there's a line here at the bottom, and then up here there's another line at the top, and you line those up with the tops and the bottom of your paper, and you get this super duper adorable little heart rosette, which I just was like, tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever, right? Oh no, what did I do? Okay, there we go. All right, and then from Alena Cuddle, I also picked up 2 rolls of 1/8 inch double-sided foam tape. I swear I'm always looking for double-sided foam tape and I can never ever find it. So when it popped up for sale at Alena Cuddle, I was like, yeah, I need that really bad. And then I also got 2 rolls of the, what is this, 1/4 inch? Half inch. Yeah, so 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. Wow, I don't know my measurements, friends. All right, and then last but not least, I got what is the name of it? All right, okay. So from the Craft Love store on AliExpress, I got this picture frame die. It comes with actually quite a few pieces. So you have here, this is going to be like your base. Here, these are like your side pieces. And then your frame piece here. And once you've cut everything out and you put it all together, it looks like this. So I just got this die today and then was like, I absolutely have to put this together. And I used my Chasing Dreams paper set. Oops, excuse me, my husband is calling. Okay, sorry about that. But as I was saying, so I used the Chasing Dreams paper set. Use this really cute in the background piece in the background with these blue flowers that I cut out around the border. And then this little bird chipboard piece comes from the Chasing Dreams chipboard. And then this flower actually came from, I want to say, Michael's. but I could be wrong. It could have been Joann's. It was either Michael's or Joann's, and it just came in a 6-pack of these really cute little paper flowers. Oh, here we go. Recollections. So I think that this is, yeah, this is Michael's because it's part of the backyard table collection with the Hot Buy paper pad that I got. So that is a Michael's purchase. All right. So there we go. That is everything that I got at this moment. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to check everything out. I will have links for everything posted down below so you can check that out. And until next time, please like, subscribe, follow me on my social media, which is like right, I don't know, here. And then hit the little bell notification, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.